Hi, we're here at the Miami-Dade Chamber of Commerce Member Connection. Welcome back. I am excited. You know, again, when we're helping small businesses grow, we're doing what we were meant to do. And today I have two guests. I have Mr. and Mrs. Rose, Donna, and Vincent. How are you guys doing?
Thank you, sir. Doing great.
We're great, thank you.
Yeah, thank you for having us.
Oh, absolutely. You know, obviously we do this every Monday at 12 noon, and I just get so excited to see black businesses, you know, take on this challenge of being an entrepreneur. You know, and Vincent, you know, we were talking before you came on, you know, like you said, I'm just there helping out, making sure that things are right. But I know it's more than that.
Yeah.
You guys support one another, working together. That's a beautiful thing. So Donna, what made you even want to do, well, let me back up before I say that. Yes. Tell me a little bit about Donna and Vincent.
So Donna and Vincent, we're happily married. We've been married 10 years, and I would have never thought that I would be doing juices.
Okay.
As a living. But, you know, when God puts you together, it just becomes perfect. And so I met my husband, who started out with 2 flavors, just doing it, giving it away, you know, blessing people.
So wait a minute. So Vincent is the
is
juice
the maker.
behind, he's the juice behind the juice?
He is the
Yes.
100%
maker. I couldn't make a juice to save my life.
Okay.
He is the maker. I market, I sell, and look cute.
Well, you're looking very cute. I was telling you, I love your glasses.
Thank
you're looking
you.
great.
Thank you.
So Vincent, what started you in the juice? Well, like you said, you were just making it and then giving it away.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, but actually, thank you. Actually, it started from my youth days.
Mm-hmm.
Like, started to
So
sell.
hold on, let me interpret for the folks who, from his youth days,
Yes.
from his younger days.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yes, starting to sell for the church.
Okay.
I used to be into the island back. And then I started selling for my pastor wife also, we split the profits and such like, you know, until I started to do for myself. You know, growing up, so I do business for myself, like a salesman. The island twist a salesman. I do it for myself. So I never really stay in any work for long because I always want to do something for myself. So I
Right.
got to work in a work, I jump out of it in 6 months right here, buy and sell, buy and sell. But eventually, I've been to the Cayman Islands. I spent like about 25, 30 years there in the Cayman Islands. And I started to work at Georgetown High School I'm a pastry chef.
Okay.
So I started from that to juices. But before I started to make juices, other people at the school used to make it for the children. But definitely I'm the one who have to test that before children began to taste that.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm the tester.
Okay.
And if it's not up to par, I say, no, it can't go to the children, so I have to do something else to it. So from there, I went on to the hospital, working in the government, Georgetown Hospital. So I started to make for the patient.
Okay.
Not doing no business for myself at the moment, but for patient. Until I met this beautiful lady, and I say, well, you know what? I don't want to work with nobody else again, so I want to do my own business by making juices. So she said we started with 2 flavor. Yeah, until now we have like over 50-something flavor.
50?
Yeah, it's more than that, but I stopped there.
Okay.
Because the vision keep giving me more and more. So we do natural juices and that's how it started. So we do other business. But otherwise she's my boss.
Right.
Yeah, she wrote my paycheck, so you know. Yeah, and she's a marketing manager.
Right.
So I'm the guy behind the scene who's making. So you hardly see much of me, but you see this face everywhere you go,
Right.
meeting, whatever, she's the one, you know. So we're working together as wife and husband. Yeah, so just about that, you know.
Serving delight.
Yes.
Wow, you know, this is great. You know, I've had the pleasure, see it right there, and actually I was in the studio a little earlier, and I was coughing, and Donna said, "Hey, try some of the juice,"
Yes.
and I drank some of the juice, and actually the cough, my throat has
Yes.
actually has been soothing.
That's the ginger, man.
That's what Serving Delights do.
Yes.
So what you're drinking is pineapple ginger pleasures.
Pleasure.
My husband, he makes the products, and just like I can't make a juice, he can't name the juice. So he makes it, I taste it, and the name comes.
Yes.
Wow.
So that's called Pineapple Ginger Pleasures.
This is really pleasurable. It is
Yes.
very refreshing. It's light, and you know, like you said, it has ginger, pineapple, and I'm not sure all the pineapple,
That's
ginger root, and a little cane sugar.
That's it.
And it's not overpowering. You know, it's like the ginger isn't like
Right.
kicking at you.
Right, right.
This is really good.
And it's natural. There's no preservative added. What you see is what you get. What you
Yes.
taste is what's in it. That's it. And this one is Mango Passion Party. This one is Green Vibe. This is Mango Medley Lemonade.
Yes.
That's all of these.
Yes.
For those of you watching, this is really good. So where can folks find you?
So every Thursday, we're at the Pembroke Lakes Mall, where there's a food truck area there. So behind Target and Macy's, we participate there from like 4 to 9. And we've been blessed to be offered by Sam's on 27th Avenue
Yes.
and University,
Yes.
Pembroke Road, to sell there as well.
Okay.
So we've done a few days there, and it went really well. So they invited us to come back, and we can choose as many days as we'd like to be out there. So we're excited to be a part of that. What we're doing is just creating spaces for our customers to be able to reach us at their convenience.
Right. Now, Vincent, again, this has been a passion for you.
Yes.
Absolutely.
How long have we been doing this now?
Since
I mean, the actual business side of it.
yes.
Because you've been doing it basically all your life.
Yes.
It sounds
So
like.
yes, but seriously now, it started 2017.
Yes.
We started out full time for you. I mean, part time. I used to work with like Walmart.
Right.
I quit the job.
Other people. Yeah.
I used to work with
Other people.
Actually, so because I want to be on my own to do my own thing.
Right.
Yeah, so we started out that time.
So 2017, so a couple years in, and then the pandemic hits. Mm-hmm. So how was that pivot?
So the pandemic hit, and initially from 2017 onward, he would go to like beauty salons, barbershops,
Mobile.
doing
Mobile
mobile,
too, so
doing
okay.
mobile. And then of course, everything shut down.
Right.
So we pivot, which is our word, and we began doing delivery.
So before we go into that, we're going to have to take a little commercial break, but we'll be back. Stay tuned.
Learn and earn today at Miami-Dade College. College graduates earn 56% more than high school graduates and $1 million more in lifetime earnings. A degree from MDC is your path to greater earning power and career success. Choose from hundreds of affordable high-tech and in-demand career programs, including cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, business, and nursing. Learn and earn today at MDC and fast-track your career. Enroll now at mdc.edu/purpose.
And welcome back to the Miami-Dade Chamber of Commerce Member Connection. I'm with two proprietors, Donna and Vincent, Serving Delights, and it is delightful. So we were talking before we took a break about the pandemic and pivoting.
So initially we were doing just fresh juices, but then realizing what was necessary for the immune system in that season, we pivoted and began doing delivery one, but then we started doing like ginger shots, turmeric shots, sea moss gels, and we would deliver, ring the doorbell, leave it on the chair, and they'll send payment however way they
Zelle
chose.
or however,
yeah,
right.
yeah, and that took off really well. We also have them, not only these bottles, but in half gallons or gallons.
Okay.
We also cater.
Okay.
We began catering events. We do weddings, birthday parties. We did an 80th birthday party a couple weekends ago. Over the weekend, last week, we did a beautiful wedding. And yeah, this is what we've had to do.
Now, in entrepreneurship, as I say, you have to get up and hunt every day.
Oh my gosh.
In other words, you're not going to get fed.
Absolutely.
So what are the challenges?
There are a few, but one of the things that I love about my husband, he's super disciplined. He's like military style disciplined. If he has to be somewhere,
He look like he's no nonsense.
no nonsense. and there are times when it's raining, right? Because of course we function now under a tent, and I would say, babe, don't go because it's pouring, and he'll say, Donna, if I was working for someone else, I would have had to go to work. I'm doing this for myself.
Wow.
I'm going. So we put on our rain boots, our coats, we have our umbrellas, and we go out and we perform. Yeah. And surprisingly enough, there have been storms, and we're under that tent, and our customers who are, because we have a great customer base. They're so loyal. We so appreciate them, and they appreciate us. How we know? Because they show up to see us even in the bad weather.
Right.
So had we not been there because we wanted to protect ourselves, they would have been disappointed. But
Right.
they know that we're going to show up, so guess what? They show up.
Yeah.
They show
And
up.
it's been a crazy summer in
It
terms
has
of
been.
rain.
Oh, yeah.
This has
Oh,
been
yeah.
a rain. I don't remember a summer this rainy in
Yes.
a while.
True.
But no, that's quite a testimony right there.
Yes.
So where do you see you going? What does the future look like?
Well, we definitely want to get these goodies in stores. We've been approached by a few, but we're just, putting things in order because for me or for us, we totally believe in just getting your ducks in a row, right? Getting everything in order. That way, when you accept that invitation, it's because you have one time to make that first impression.
Absolutely.
And we take that seriously.
Yes.
We go hard or we go home. There's no room for compromise, And so we see us owning our own, not renting, our own
Yeah.
building. We see juice trucks. We see full-time staff. We both actually do the business full-time. We both quit our jobs a year and 7 months now.
Wow. What a
And
blessing.
that came about because we were both home having some challenges through the COVID. And, our bosses kept, when you coming back? When you coming back? When you coming back to work? And like my lungs is not functioning well and his back isn't, so we can't come back right now. They didn't understand that. Well, we weren't going to let them dictate what our future was.
Right.
And we were literally doing a Netflix and chill moment. And the calls came in and he said to me, I don't want you to go back to work. And I'm like, well, I don't want you to go back to work either. And this was in the midst of the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 next movie is about to start. We started watching the next movie. I wrote a resignation letter, sent it, and the rest of it was just a beautiful future. And I just would like to encourage anyone that if you have a dream, you have a passion, you put everything into it, don't let anybody determine what you are going to do or not going to do. The only thing we wish we did do was start this sooner, but we don't, much earlier. We have time to spend with family now. We have, quality time for ourselves. Yes, it's a lot of work. Yes, we gave up working 40 hours for someone to work 80, 100 hours for ourselves,
Right.
but it's so worth it
Yes.
because it's no longer work when you love what you're doing.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely. And I can't ask the question why juice, because you're the reason why
Yes,
it is juice. Do you? And you say you're a pastry chef.
Yes, and that's kind of been on the back burner for a long time, because when I proposed that to my wife, she was saying that, so we do nothing else but just juice. People say, you do food? We said, no, this is what we specialize into. Because sometimes you don't want to be jack of all trade and master of none.
Right.
That's what we say in the island. There's got to be one that you master, and you master it the best. And people will keep coming back, and that's what we're all about. So, yeah, we just specialize in juices, natural juices.
And where are the locations again?
So every Thursday can be found at the Pembroke Lakes Mall.
Okay.
At the food truck area.
And
then
where's that at the mall? In the north
behind
side or
Target, behind Target and Macy's.
south? Okay.
Off, I think it's.
I hadn't been to the
Titus
Pembroke
Road.
Mall. I hadn't been to the mall in a long time, but I was out there about a month ago.
Yes.
So Macy's in the back. Well, the
Yes.
men's side is in the back.
Oh well, yeah.
It's off hiatus.
So it's off
Hiatus
the
right there.
the hiatus entrance.
Right.
And
Close to
then
Home Depot right there, you turn in on the left hand
Okay.
side. Yeah.
right, and we're under a tent, and then of course we're at Sam's on 27th Avenue and Pembroke Road. We're working on just locking in some dates, but for now we're there. And of course we do events. This weekend we're going to be at an 8-verse-8 soccer tournament, and we have the privilege of being their juice vendor of choice.
I make the assumption you've been at Jerk Festival.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
That's 6 years strong.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
Miami
we're going to be at
Carnival.
Miami Carnival,
Okay.
which is in October.
I'm sure you do very well at those.
We
Yes.
do. And we have customers that literally call us in advance
For the
and
cane.
say, are you going to be at Jerk Fest? You're going to be at Miami Carnival? And so we have to keep going, because not only do we give excellent customer service, but we serve a great product. I consider us as the Lamborghini of juices.
Yes.
Whoa. Well, I'm here. I'm sipping on this Lamborghini.
Yes, sir.
So we show up for them because we know that they're going to show up for us. And we're so grateful.
Folks, I'm not lying. This pineapple ginger pleasures, this is really good. So, Donna, how can they get a special order, special delivery to their home?
Absolutely. We can cater for your events. Like I said, we do weddings. So you could please call at 786-663-1770. We're on all social media platforms at Serving Delights. That's S for Serve, I-R, V for Vincent, I-N, D for Donna, E-L-I-G-H-T-S. And just give us a call and we'll serve it all.
All right. Website?
Website is the same, Serving Delights, www.servingdelights.com.
And if you want to know more about the Miami-Dade Chamber, you can call us at 305-751-8648 or go to www.m-dcc.org. Wow, I really appreciate you guys being with us
Thank
today.
you so much.
Look forward to seeing your business grow.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all for joining us. This has been the Miami-Dade Chamber of Commerce Member Connection.